Hey burritos, welcome back to another Dutty Berry Goes Abroad. It's like a series where I'm showing you like a highlights of when we did a travel in New York City, Orlando, and Miami during May of this year. So check it out.
So I'm in the subway now, just walking around, and so there are a bunch of people here. A lot of mercy algorithm people. I think there's some music. There's a band over there that play music. Yeah.
On the last night, we ended up going bar. I was spend some time with little cousin, and I don't think him should have been there because him the kind of underage.
Thank you, man.
Just say fine, I want to come on. What should I? I truly can't say her now. Should we run and back round this one? It's about 23 and two of them up on the same eye. So I'm sure you probably can manage that one there.
Now we looking like ghosts, man. Look at Woo!
And I got to go to this place called Soho. Soho is basically like the New Kingston for New York, where all of the fashionable people them come out and them just walk and them buy clothes and all them something there.
I'm still in NYC. I'm now in Soho, and the place is full of one bag of fashionable, really great people.
So when they are Soho now, I start get thirsty, I lick them start to dry and crusty and them something them. I say, you know what, I just buy one water from one of the vendor them. I buy the bottle of water now, only if I try to turn it, I can't open the bottle.
No, look here now. Look up my fire now when I try to drink like a bottle of water and watch ya. What kind of water bottle this I can barely watch ya? Watch ya, all this something you know, I don't want to go pop it off. No, you see that same like my regular Jamaican water and watch ya. No, look here. How you take this off now? I try to take it off now, look like me nearly pop off piece side, watch ya. Watch ya, I'm afraid to take it off now, I'm dead for thirst, watch ya.
So the same night, I just shot across New York, I left from my family them, my cousin them, I'm gonna link up one of my friend them, and him carry me to this bar. This bar is just pure white people there, I play rock music. I'm gonna tell you, so the turn up did real, the turn up was turn up? Yes, turn up was turn up in this shop. So I did there interact with my friends them, you know, the white people, because I'm cool with them like that. Yeah, and at some point them start to play Scrubs. And the girl them she call me in and someone must join her. I'm gonna say, okay, sure. And then we're running and I realize I remember half of the lyrics of Scrubs. From a golf foreign, I just fear problem with the bathroom them. Like while the British them foreign bathroom, they need to get a red flag. need something red. They need to come with an instruction manual. So I reach one next place in a NYC, one next hotel, and run to say, yeah, I need to go bathe after dirtiness off my body. And bloom. Can't box for turn on the pipe them.
In the shower now, I'm about to start bathe, and look here now, like I honestly cannot get the water to come through this. I'm gonna try. I don't know what it is to argue. Watch this. So yeah, pull so. Man, pull stuff. Man, try to push in. I don't know where, like, I'm going to suck me and be grown yourself. Like, my trouble literally can't figure it out. I'm going to want to ask somebody to come make me look ignorant and, like, before, like, I literally don't know what to do. We get it, it work. So, after me and dig up, all this time out, say, and I need to roll yourself. You're supposed to dry, so you're supposed to draw this down and then this up there this over. Thank you. But they have to send some WhatsApp to some of my friends, so all of them could have finally get an answer from one where actually work.
After New York City, it was time to head to Orlando. My first time there, and yeah, this was me at the airport. Ignore, did not need him.
So now I just landed. The plane just landed in Orlando. I'm super tired.
You go next slide is it downtown Disney, okay?
Okay.
Okay, my people, home sweet home.
I'm finally buck up one bathroom where we can actually operate. Big up Orlando for them Jamaican style bathroom.
Thank you, Father Jesus. Bathroom like this, me like. See there? Pull up if you want the water come from up there. So see there right there, so? Come out from right there, so. Hang up, lock off that. Over here, sir, cool. And over here, sir, then make sure right it. See there? Hang up right there, so.
So I end up here about the Walt Disney place, like, what you call it, a Dreamland, Dreamworld, or whatever it is. I'm gonna decide to go and check it out.
Wow. I can't believe me reach other place. Look at that, Father Jesus, thank you. It's rubbish bin that them said don't Dutty up USA. Oh my gosh. Woo. Someday I know what Disney settings and we are about to go try this thing called bowling for the first time. See there will be no.
Get close on.
But I feel like it's stuck so. I feel like it's stuck. It should feel like that.
Go on in.
Ready?
Ready. Nice and straight down the middle.
Well, that's it, burritos. Thanks for watching another Dutty Berry Goes Abroad. Make sure that you like it, you share it, you comment, you subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It is at Dutty Berry Show. See it right there, so please follow me. And if you want to email me or book me or anything like that, it is duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Thanks so much for watching and take care until next time.
Make a scene nobody can ignore. Get some things until you're drunk, it don't just doing some more. Bring the lights out and now the blue is brown. I'm so many round, shake it up, shake it up.